12 out of the minute, 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 13, 12 out of the minute, 13, 12 out of the minute, 13,000, you're going to do 13,000, now 13,500, 13 out of the minute, 13,500, 13 out of the minute, 13,500, 13,500, now 14,000, sir, right back to you, and 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, now 14,500, 14 out of the minute, 14,500, 14 out of the minute, 15,000, it's up to you, sir.
This next lot, number 87, is a Cincinnati laser. Very, very nice machine. 6x12, dual shuttle table. It's a CL-707, 3,500 watts. Some really fast speeds on this. We're going to show you a few things. We'll show you cutting, as well as some of the speeds just to show you the capabilities of this machine. So we'll go ahead and hit cycle start. You can see the speed of this. Of course, it wouldn't be running this fast, but you can definitely see the capabilities of such a high quality machine. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we'll go ahead and we have a part programmed in here. We're gonna set it up so we can go ahead and cut a part for you. We've got our part all set up. We're going to hit cycle start again. You can see your setup time, just getting the bridge to where you need to be very quickly could be very helpful. All right, we've got programmed 3 small parts. They're going to look kind of like this. We're going to hit cycle start, and you'll see them come out of this magic machine here. Here you can see the program that we just cut. So as you can see, it's a great running machine. If this is the type of machine you're looking for, there's a few other ones in this auction. Make sure to look at all the different lots. This is lot number 87. Good luck. I hope you get some great deals.
95, you're at 9. You'll raise your bid. Now 9,500, sure. 95 to the minute, 95. Got it. Now 10,000. 10 to the minute, 10,000. Give me 10. Now 10,5. 10 to the minute, 10,5. 10 to the minute, 10 to the minute, 10,5. 10 to the minute, 10,5. 10 to the minute, 10 to the minute.